Today I am going to show you how to disable participant annotations. Means you might have seen many times that the students are writing something on the screen when we shared our screen with them during online classes through Zoom app. So we can disable that with the help of the following steps. Let us go through. I have shared one PDF file in the Joy group today. So what you have to do, open that PDF file in your Android mobile and just copy the link from there. So let me show you how can I copy the link from there. Just I am selecting the link over there and I am clicking on the copy button. Then that's all. We have to minimize this one and open your Google Chrome browser. There we will have to paste that particular address over here. Just click on, and that paste this command over there is paste it, and then click on that go button. Now it will ask you for the ID and the password, email ID and the password. You can see over here I have just saved it, so I don't have to write my email address and password over. You have to write your email address there and the password you have when you have given while creating the Zoom application, Zoom ID. So let us sign in from there. Now you can see there are a lot of meetings that I have done, which I have created, can be shown over there. So what we have to do next is what? As you can see over here, you can see the option meetings over here. So I am clicking on that meeting option and then click on settings. Now the settings will open and we will have to scroll down. You can see schedule meeting, host video, start meeting with host video on, participant video. You will find a lot of options over there. So you can put it on or off according to your choice. What I am going to show you how to disable their scribbling, their annotations, the participants annotations from there. Okay, let me, you can see over here, require a password for instant meeting. You can put it off also. We don't have to require password. Require a password for personal meeting, put it off also in settings. Require password for participants joining by phone, put it off, no need of password. Let us scroll down more. Chat is there. Allow meeting participant to send a message visible to all participants. If you don't want that, then put it off. Chat option also turn off. You can see it is turning off. Auto saving, file transfer. Host and participants can send files through the in meeting chat. So you have to decide this one, what you want to do. Allow show meeting control, show zooms. See over here, this is the most important over here. Who can share? Host only. That should be your settings. The host can share the screen only. Next, disable desktop screen share for users. You will have to put it disable, this option, that other users cannot share their screen over there. And over here you can see annotations. You will have to put it off like this one. It will disallow the participants. See here, allow participant to use annotation. If you will put it on, then participants will start scribbling. Then from here just put it off, and you can see the settings are automatically saved. In whiteboard you can see, if you will click it on, then the participants will be allowed to write in the whiteboard. So put it off also. Remote control. During screen sharing, the person who is sharing can allow other to control. So the person who is sharing can allow others to control the shared content. So put it on. I am putting it on, that I am the person sharing and I am the person who is sharing can allow others to control the shared contents. Okay. So that is all. You have to set it out. And after this one, just you scroll down for more options. There are many options over there and nothing to do more. That is all from my side. that you have to do. The settings are automatically saved. You don't have to click on save anywhere. You can see over there. If you see the button of save, then click on it also. That's all from my side. Thank you all, and you can just log out from there also. You can log out. Thank you all to all my friends and colleagues. Bye.